Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching for ways to make money online. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
In order to succeed in making money online, you need to receive help and training from a reliable and trusted source. Many newbies start their online journey by buying multiple trainings from different sources. Very soon, they get caught into the shiny object syndrome and develop a habit of buying and learning, but never making a single dime. Wealthy Affiliate is the longest standing and the most innovative internet business community online. If you can butter toast, you can build a business within Wealthy Affiliate. What you get with Wealthy Affiliate: getting started training. The process is completely simplified. Video training, tutorial training, classroom training, and courses. Hundreds of thousands of helpful community members. 13 plus full interactive classrooms. Live and interactive help, even at 2 a.m. in the morning. 2 free, beautifully designed websites. State-of-the-art secure and fast hosting. Access to industry experts and millionaires. A strict spam-free environment. Completely free to get started, with no catches at all. Wealthy Affiliate is more of a service and community, and far less of a product. The community at Wealthy Affiliate is second to none. Wealthy Affiliate caters to all levels of marketers and entrepreneurs. From a brand newbie to someone that is running an already successful business and wants to scale it to a whole new level. If you are looking to earn money online, network with fellow entrepreneurs, get help and help others, and learn a ton from the thousands of experts at WA, it will be your new home. Wealthy Affiliate also boasts a wide array of tools and training that can accelerate your success. Keyword and competition research tool, Site Rubrics, our 30-second website builder, low competition, cherry-picked keyword lists, state-of-the-art, unlimited cloud hosting for premium members, access to over 2,400 website templates and themes, ability to add over 30,000 different features to your website, Rapid Writer, your content friend, live weekly training classes, question and answer periods, organized classrooms on specific topics, interactive discussions, video training, tutorial training, task-based courses. When it comes to making money online and trying to create a successful business, it's nice to know that you can get help when you need it and get it in a timely fashion. That is what you get at Wealthy Affiliate with the live 24/7 community and support system. There are many different types of support offered at Wealthy Affiliate. Live 24/7, 365 chat, interactive discussions, live question and answer periods, private one-on-one support with me, Kyle, private access to community experts. Get your free starter account today. You will not regret it. I promise.
The only difference between the winners and the losers in life is one simple thing: the willingness to take massive action. You have that opportunity here today.